Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And once again, I get questions from time to time of different things that I've talked about but a long time ago. And, a refresh of certain videos is certainly welcome. And we're going to talk about Bluetooth and the fact that I always say it, and it's still true in 2025. Whatever device you're using, if you do not need Bluetooth to work for some device, turn it off when it's not needed. Never leave the Bluetooth on all the time. There are new guidelines for the next generation of Bluetooth, including the version 6.1, which adds more security, randomizes the connections to avoid, having patterns that you can detect for security and privacy reasons. But still, devices that have Bluetooth, be it your smartphone, tablets, maybe your TV. Lots of smart TVs today have Bluetooth in it. Any device. I have a treadmill here that has Bluetooth, and when I don't use it for, walking and listening to music, I've noticed that from time to time, if I leave it on, people tend to connect to it. So it gives you an idea that Bluetooth is a little scary in what it can do, and for mostly security reasons and also privacy, it should always be turned off. You see here it's off on my PC. I only turn on when I want to connect to a device. But if you look at the devices, so I've got my devices here, my phone and a Bluetooth speaker, my Bluetooth headphones or earbuds, and of course I've got the standard stuff like TV. But for example, if I look here, the Samsung Q82AA65 is not my TV. Android TV is the one that I'm using now. And if I show all devices, it's going to find all sorts of things. And you can see very often your neighbor's devices in there because it will detect all the Bluetooth connectivity that exists out there. So there are things that appear in here that will actually be neighbors. For example, I got two neighbors that moved, and this list is now shorter. It shows that there were a lot of devices with these neighbors that could be connected through. And so you can actually connect to devices sometimes that aren't yours. So this is one of the reasons why you want to make sure that the Bluetooth is off when you're not using it. And that's for every single device that you own. And make sure that you turn it on only when you need to use it. So for example, on my smartphone, my Galaxy S22 Ultra, I turn it on when I use my Bluetooth earbuds, or if I want to connect to one of my Bluetooth speakers in the home. But then when it's over, I turn it off from the phone. And there's an added positive thing to it is that if you turn it off, you also extend the battery life of your device. So for security reasons, it should always be off when you don't need it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.